Hello guys, this is the Average Trader and welcome to week 29 of our trade logging series. This week we actually lost 2R and it's been a while since we've been down during a week, right? But here at Average Trader we are as transparent as we can be. So that means showing you guys the down weeks as well as the up weeks, right? Quick side note, this week, unfortunately, the first 2 days of our trade logging got corrupted, so we won't be able to show you, I think, 1 or 2 trades that we did in the beginning of the week, but those trades were calculated into the -2R conclusion that we got. So even though we took, I think, 5 or 6 trades during the week, I can only show you guys 3 or 4 trades. So that is a quick side note. But otherwise, if you guys want to see all of this live, be sure to check out our chat room. We're the only chat room on the market that provides a promised profit guarantee, which means for any month, right, if our call-outs don't make money, you don't pay a dime. And that's how we put our money where our mouth is. And that's how we protect our customers, right? So without further ado, let's get into the first recorded trade of the week. And the first trade that we were able to salvage, right, is Tesla 173.75 by 172.95, and we got stopped out of this. It was a beautiful buy setup, right? Entry right above the higher high, right, and stop loss at the lower low, and unfortunately, you know, tagged us in and immediately stopped us out. You know, this buy setup was beautiful, right? Huge move, 50% retracement, buy setup, boom, right? But unfortunately, like I say every single day, trading is a statistical probability, right? So even the most perfect trades have a chance to fail, which it did this week. But, you know, I would take this trade a million times if I could, right? There's nothing wrong with this trade, and just very unfortunate that we got stopped out. Next trade we took was less unfortunate and more aggressiveness, right? We took PayPal 87 by 86.50 and off this 1 minute wedge right here. And like you can see, we got triggered in at 87. It immediately stopped us out. You know, there is an argument that we should have gotten in at 87.25 when it broke the high of the day, but we took a more aggressive trade and paid the price for it. This is not to say that this pattern, right, was not good. I think this pattern was really nice, right? It's just, you know, we should have taken the more safe, right, entry at 87.25 or so instead of 87, and immediately got stopped out at 86.50. Next trade you took was Amazon 106 by 107, and you know, just like PayPal over here, Amazon stopped us out immediately after triggering us in, right? When a stock gaps down and markets look lower, right, it's very hard not to take an engulfing red bar, right? So unfortunately, this huge bottoming tail right here triggered us in at 106 and immediately stopped us out at 107. I think I only took half of an R loss because of experience, but eventually this would have stopped you out at 107. So it's very unfortunate that you know, it seems like sometimes, you know, it seems like, you know, there's a market maker that's, you know, looking at what trades you're taking and just taking your money, right? But that's the great thing about the market, right? There is no market maker that is looking over your shoulder. The market treats everyone the same way. And, you know, at the end of the day, right, it's all just statistics, right? Not every trade will look like Amazon or PayPal where it triggers you in and immediately stops you out. But these things will happen, right? And it's just very unfortunate that it happened to us twice in a row. And the last trade that I could find for this week was a CAT 145 by 144.50, and we took this off of a doji bar right here, right? Markets were pushing higher, and we took this 145 by 144.50, and you can see 3 huge green bars pushed us straight to our target. So this was definitely a good way to end a terrible week, right? But unfortunately still left us at a loss for the week. And like I said, that was all of the trades that I could find this week. We did lose 2R overall, but you know, it is what it is, and these things do happen. Once again, if you do want to see all of these trades live, be sure to join our chat room. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section below or join our Discord. I'm extremely active there as well. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and hopefully next week will be a lot better. Have a nice weekend, guys. Bye-bye.